Hello, and good morning, guys. It's a beautiful Friday morning, and we are here to look at what we did yesterday. And this is what we are looking at yesterday. So we were looking for potential buys above this area. Indeed, today, before the most awaited day for most traders is today. NFP is coming in today at 3:30 p.m. So we are anticipating to get something good out of it. So, real quick, let me take you a recap of what we had yesterday, what we were looking for. We were looking for potential buys above this level here. We never got a confirmation for the buys, and uh, nothing was activated yesterday. For the sales, we were looking for potential sales below this level here. Well, we got this candle closing below our level with some goodish bearish momentum. But before that, we had this candle that tried to break below our level. It got rejected. You can see how big the rejection was. The size of the wick. This I call it rejection. This was the rejection here. You can see how big it was. A very small body and a very big rejection. So that told me that probably the market could be consolidating in anticipation for the NFP. So once we got this break here, this was at around 6:30 p.m. It was almost heading to 7. I normally close my day at 7 p.m. When the London New York overlap ends at around 7 p.m. That's when I close my day. If I don't have an entry by then, I'm done for the day. So this was the breakout. This was the breakout we got at 6:30 p.m. But I didn't like the breakout. I did close below this level here, then it would have signified that the bearish pressure was enough to continue pushing the market down. So the way it broke out of this level, I didn't like it, so I didn't take this trade here. Uh, I was done for the day either way. It was already at 6:30 p.m. and I closed my day at 7 p.m. So this was a trade that I didn't take, you see. And true to what I was expecting, the market came back into this consolidation zone. This was just a fake out here. This was just a fake out here. Market came back into this consolidation zone, and you can see what it has been doing here. So, well, this could be consolidation in anticipation for today's NFP. So this could be consolidation in anticipation for the NFP. Pardon me for the background noise. This is why we chose Forex, so that we could get to spend time with family. So kindly bear with me. Kindly bear with me. So I was looking at what we were looking at yesterday. So this was a trade that we never took yesterday. So for the entire week since Monday, gold has not given us a clear entry, and so I've not executed any trade since Monday on gold. So today, let's see what we have today. So this was a no trade day. This was a no trade day for me. So what you do is you plan. You This analysis is just a plan to trade. So once you have made your plan, then you execute the plan. Okay. So that's how I'm structured. You make your plan to trade, then you execute the plan following your rules. Once you diverge from your rules, the market will mercilessly whoop you. That I guarantee you. It's not a guarantee that when you follow your rules, you're going to win every trade, but it's gonna keep you consistent. Once you have your rules in place, it will keep you consistent in the market. But once you decide to break your moves, break your rules, you start strategy hopping here and there, here and there. That's how you become an unprofitable trader. That's how you blow your accounts. That's how you start thinking of forex as a let me not get let me not go there. I was watching a podcast this morning from my one of my best traders. Is Rich Nick, and it got me really inspired. That's a story for another day. So let me look at what you have today. Let me look at what we have today. So today on the fundamentals, we are looking at the only high impact The only high impact news we have today is at 3:30 p.m. And that is the jobs report, where we have the average hourly earnings, the non-farm employment change, and the unemployment rate. Yeah, so it will be coming in at 3:30 p.m. So watch out for that. This is something that I really want to trade today, and I hope we make something out of it. Let's see what the market gives us today. So that's all about today on the fundamentals. Uh, Anything else on the breaking news regarding the conflict between US and Iran? Uh, Anything that could shake the market, watch out for that. Be in the know. I always tell you it's good to be in the know what's happening. The geopolitics, uh, they also affect these markets. So it's good to be in the know. So looking at what we have here, US dollar weights NFP, a September Fed hike, or odds hang in the balance. Okay, you see, the US dollar is awaiting for the NFP. So we could see some consolidation, a lot of consolidation today. We could see a lot of consolidation today, right until right until the NFP data is released. So real quick, let's jump into the charts and see what to do, to expect today. See what the market gives us today. So we are going to remove everything here. Let's remove everything here. We remove everything here. Start of analysis afresh. Start everything afresh. We always start our analysis on the 1 month, and here is what we have on the 1 month. This is our monthly resistance there. Down here we have our monthly support. We just identify our levels of support and resistance based on the current price action. It's purely price action here. So on the weekly we have this support down here, and our resistance is up here. On the daily, we are looking at this. We had this break here. This was a swing. The swing high is here, the swing low is here, but internally we also had this break here. Once we got this break here, yesterday, not yesterday, the day before yesterday, we got another breakout here. So internally we were looking at this. Internally we were looking at this break here. We were looking at this resistance here, but once it was broken, uh, now we focus on this resistance here. So this is our daily resistance up here. This is our daily support down here, and now on the 4 hours, we can also mark this as a resistance. You can see price was rejected here. You can mark this as our resistance. We are going to refine it as we go down the lower time frames. So down to 4 hours, and on 4 hours we are looking at we had this break here. On 4 hours, but we also had this internal structure that broke here. So this will be our main focus for today. This internal structure here. We had that internal structure breaking there. Had that break of structure there on the internal structure. Then we had this support down here. That's our support there. So this is our 4 hour range. You can see this is our 4 hour range. And now on 4 hours, I like to use the bodies, where the bodies lie. So move that to the body there. Identify that wick there as a target. Then move this other body, this other candle, this other the support to where the bodies are seated there. Then identify this wick as a target. So now we have our 4 hour range, which runs from here all the way up to here. This is our 4 hour range here. It's a very good range. Price just kept moving, kept pushing up, kept pushing up. Eventually, you have to retrace before you can continue the move there up or even go further down. Okay, so now we're done with 4 hours, down to 1 hour. And on 1 hour, we are looking at on 1 hour, we had this break of structure here. We had a break of structure here on 1 hour. Did you get a? Yes, yes, we did. Yes, we did. So we had a break of structure here. We had a break of structure there. Is a 1 hour for time frame. Then we got a change of character here. Market shifted down here. We had a shift here. Once you got that shift there, so our high is here. Now you can remove this one here. Or you can even leave it there. So this is our low here. This is our 1 hour low here. We have our 1 hour low here. This is our 1 hour support. Now we have a structure. Now we can well, that we can narrow down. Yeah, looking good, looking good, looking good. So yeah, let's just do away with this one. Now our 1 hour is here. This is our 1 hour range from here all the way down to here. We had a break of structure, then the market shifted to the bearish. Now we're here. This is a support here. This is a resistance. Down to 30 minutes, where we hopefully can see if we can get an entry from. And on 30 minutes, we are looking at more or less the same. Yeah, and on 30 minutes, we are still on the same structure, same levels. So on 30 minutes, I'll move that one there. I'll move that resistance there. And this is where I'd be looking to take a buy from. This is where my buy, potential buy is above there. For the sales, I'll be looking for safe sales below this level. For sales, I'll be looking for safe sales below this level here. These are my potential sales here. Okay, so that's what you have. That's what I'll be looking at today. This is pre-NFP. I'll definitely do an analysis right before NFP, 20, 20 to 15 to 20 minutes before NFP, to get to get the market detect, see where the price action will be. See what the price action will have given us by that time. Okay. See, look at the levels to watch and where we can hopefully get a breakout trade for the NFP. So this is what I'll be watching today. These are my levels for the sell. If I get a sell, you could push a sell from here, push a sell from here down to this level here. Take a sell from there, execute a sell. If you get a break, a good break with bearish momentum, good bearish momentum, stop loss just above the support there. If you get a good breakout on the buys, if you get a good breakout here, you could take a buy from that position there and push the market up to this level here, same level we were watching yesterday. See, the market has been consolidating around this level here. From here, all this is just consolidation. You can see that all this is just consolidation here. All of this is just consolidation. So should we get a break below this level here, I'll be looking to take a sell. If we get a good break with a good bearish momentum, I'll be looking to take a sell from here down to this level here. For the buys, if we get a good break above here, I'll be looking to take a buy from this level here all the way up here. Let's see where else to target. I like to target the 4 hour liquidity, 4 hour highs, 4 hour highs, 4 hour lows, and just a minute, just a minute. Is more visible visibility, all intervals, yeah. 4 hours, yep, that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. Uh, these are levels that price could react from. It's a level that's where that price could react from. Well, if we get a sell all the way down to this level, yeah. And basically, that's what I'm looking at pre NFP. 15 minutes to NFP, I'll be doing another analysis and see where the current price action will be at, and see if we can get a good setup for a breakout for the NFP. So this is what I'm looking at today. This is what I'm looking at today. So, like I always say, a slogan from one of the best traders I know: always trade what you see, not what you think. Okay, trade what you see, not what you think. Uh, let the market show you the direction it wants to take, then execute your plan. You plan to trade, then you execute your plan. If the market gives you shows you the confirmation you're looking for, then you execute your plan. Okay, so happy hunting, guys. I'll see you tomorrow for a recap of this. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday. I'll see you on Monday for a recap of this trade. But right before NFP, if I if I'm able to, I'll I'll, I'll give you my analysis for the NFP right before NFP. I'll try and do that. Give you that analysis for the NFP right before NFP. Around 5-10 minutes before NFP, I'll have my setup ready. Okay, so happy hunting, guys, and hope you catch that move today. Hope you catch that move today. Okay, so remember, this is not financial advice to trade. Uh, Forex trading involves a lot of is a high risk venture. So before taking any trade, do your own research and trade responsibly. Okay, I'm out, guys. See ya.